Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Meggie Farmer with Messin' with Meggie, and today I'm going to teach you how to make another quick, easy, and delicious meal with so little thought and effort, it's insane. Today we're going to make easy pork carnitas in the Instant Pot. You don't have to have an Instant Pot, however, you can also make this recipe in a slow cooker or just straight up in your oven in a Dutch oven. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. It's super quick, super easy, and I promise you're gonna love it. Here we go. Alrighty, so to get started, you're just gonna get out a meat-safe cutting mat and grab your pork tenderloin. I accidentally grabbed the pack that just had one tenderloin in it this time, but I generally grab the one that has two. Totally fine though, the measurements are still the same. Now all you're gonna do is make your dry rub by measuring out 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix that together well to use as a dry rub on the pork tenderloin. Now this step is totally optional, but I like to cut the tenderloin up into 3 or 4 pieces just to make the strands of meat shorter once it's cooked. I just roll around the meat in the dry rub, and then I get out the Instant Pot for the next step. I put in 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock along with the juice of 1 whole orange into the Instant Pot. You don't need to brown your meat or anything. You're simply just going to put the meat into the liquid and shut the lid, set it to sealing, select pressure cook normal, 50 minutes, and then you're just gonna sit it and forget it. When your 50 minutes are up, do an instant pressure release and check out the finished product. Now you're just gonna shred this pork up and take a little taste. This stuff is delicious. Now you have the optional step here to put it under the broiler for about 5 minutes to get it crispy, but I like it just the way it is. So for the first meal, we made tostadas. I just put refried black beans on a tostada shell with the meat, lettuce, and avocado with a side of rice. Delicious. For lunch the next day, I used it to make a quesadilla. I just like to put refried black beans onto a mixla tortilla. If you haven't tried them, give it a shot. It's half corn, half flour, and holy moly, totally delicious. But this is my favorite quesadilla. Absolutely obsessed with these. So there you have it. I told you it was easy. It is the best recipe. I love it. You know, you can use this to make so many different things. You can make tacos, you can make enchiladas, you can make tostadas, you can make salads. If you're sick of having Mexican food after dealing with the leftovers for a week, make a barbecue sandwich. Take that pork, mix it up on the stove in a pot with some barbecue sauce, and put it on some nice buttered toasted buns. Barbecue sandwich. I mean, how easy is that? You could also just eat it straight meat with potatoes and a salad or some kind of green vegetable. There's a million different ways you could eat this, and I really think you guys are gonna love this recipe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you liked it. It really helps out my channel and definitely supports me. You have no idea how much I appreciate all the support that I've been receiving. And yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying this content. Let me know what you think below. I'll also be sure to list the recipe below so you can kind of follow along if you prefer to read instructions rather than watching. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back in 2 weeks with another great video for you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.